Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, we'll be seeing some free courses that are offered by Scalar Academy. So before we see what are those courses and how you can register for it, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook to get instant updates about all our videos. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. So let's move on and see what are the free courses offered by Scalar Academy now. So the first one is learn how to develop an Android based microblogging app. And this free online course is taken by Mr. Arnav Gupta, who's an ex-employee of Zomato. So you are going to learn from people who have had vast experience in this field. So the content will be very good. You can learn a lot of things from them. And the date for this live online course is 7th of July 2021, and the timing will be from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. So the duration of this free online course will be 3 hours, and after completing the course you can also get a certificate. And here is the complete detail about what you'll be learning in this program. So here it is. Let me just zoom in. So you have 3 modules in this free online course, and topic 1 will be app design, API overview, app project structure. So once you go into the course, you'll be learning about these things, and then you will have a mini quiz, and then you have a Q&A session. So if you have any doubt, you can just clear that, and then you'll be moving on to module 2, in which you will be learning about MVVM architecture, fetching data from API, and other lessons. And after the break, you will have the module 3, in which you will be learning about adding tests, performance considerations, pagination, loaders, other things. And there will be a challenge as well. So you have to implement what you learn, and you have to build a real application, and you have to submit that. And if you submit that within 2 days, you will have a chance to get rewards from Scalar Academy worth of 20,000. So you have an opportunity to win some gifts as well. So now we have seen all the details, and here they have also given why you should attend it. I mean, what are the outcomes for you? So why you should attend it? These are the things that you will get. So build a professional social media application on Android. So this is what you are going to do. So this will give you some experience, and then you will learn Kotlin with core routines, and you will understand the MVVM architecture, and you will have access to popular libraries like Retrofit, Moshi, Glide. And after completing the program, as I said, you can get your certificate from Scalar Academy. And make sure when you are filling the details, you are giving it correctly, because whatever you fill in the details in the registration page, that will be coming on your certificate. I'll show you how you can register for it. So this is the first course, learn how to develop an Android based microblogging app. Next one is master problem solving in DSA by learning trees. So this free online course will be taken by Mr. Ashray Agarwal, who's a software development engineer at Amazon. And the date for this online course will be 3rd of July 2021, and the timing will be 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. So just take note of the date and time so that you do not miss these free online courses given by Scalar Academy. And let's see what are the things that are covered. So basically there are 3 modules in this course also. Module 1 will be a basic introduction to trees, binary trees, and traversal. And it's a similar process. First you will attend the session, and then you will have quiz, and then there is some time given for Q&A as well. So you can just get cleared your doubts in that session. And module 2, you will be learning about binary search tree and problem solving. And after the break, you will have the module 3, in which you will learn about interview problems on trees. And after that, there is a mega quiz. You have to participate in it, and you have a chance to win awards worth of 20,000 rupees from Scalar Academy. It's not 20,000 rupees in cash. It's rewards worth more than 20,000. So just note that it is not cash, it's rewards, which means you will get prizes worth of 20,000 rupees. And here is why you have to attend it. So you can learn basic concepts of binary tree, you can practice problem solving, and you will get introduced to tree traversal. You can learn about the introductory concepts of it, and then you will learn to solve frequently asked interview questions on trees. And after the program, you will get a certificate from Scalar Academy as well. So these 2 free live online courses are offered by Scalar Academy now. One is learn how to develop an Android based microblogging app, and the other one is master problem solving in DSA by learning trees. And now let's see how to register for these courses. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And every day around 11 a.m. I'll be uploading a Udemy 100% of coupons video. And using those coupons, you can get paid courses in Udemy for free of cost. So do subscribe to our channel and get all those free courses. I hope you'll find everything useful. And if you want to buy any course in Coursera, just go with their monthly plan, because with that you can save a lot of money and you can get unlimited certificates. I'll just show the comparison now. So here it is. So if you buy any individual course or individual certification program in Coursera, it will cost somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. But with their monthly plan, you can get access to all the 3,000 plus courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certifications, everything, entire platform at 4,352 for 1 month. So if you plan accordingly, you can complete everything in 1 month by taking the 1 month plan offer, and you can earn unlimited certificates. If you plan to take 100 programs, you can still get 100 certificates after completing it, and you can learn job relevant skills and tools with 100 plus applied projects. And there are more than 15 professional certification programs in Coursera, including Google certifications, Facebook certifications, and a lot more. You will also get access to all those professional certifications as well. So if you have an idea of buying any course in Coursera, go with the monthly plan, because with that you can save a lot of money. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just take this monthly plan offer by using the link I have given below. So I hope you'll find this useful. So now let's move on and see how to register for these free courses offered by Scalar Academy. Let's go with this one. Learn to develop Twitter app on Android. So let's register for it. So first we need an account in Scalar Academy. First we have to click on this login button, and then it will take you to the login page. If you already have an account, you guys know how to register for the courses. If you are new to these free online courses offered by Scalar Academy, just click on this don't have an account. You will see sign up here. Near this you will see sign up. Just click on sign up and you will be taken to this sign up page where you can provide your details and click on the sign up and continue to create your account, or else you can use your Google account or Facebook, LinkedIn, GitHub, any account that you have. You can use that and create your Scalar Academy account. And once you are done with creating your account, you can register for the free courses offered by Scalar Academy. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. You can see that here, hi Answers Queue. So once you log into your account, just click on this register now button and just fill in your details here, like your name, gender, year of graduation, job title, current employer. If you are a student, just type in student and provide your phone number and click on this register button. And then once you click on the register button, you will get an OTP to the registered mobile number. So just enter the OTP here and just verify your account, and then that's it. Your registration will be completed. You will also get a registration confirmation email from Scalar Academy like this. So you can see the title here, learn to develop Twitter app on Android by Scalar. That's the one which I chose. So you can register for any course that you like. You can go and register for all the 2 courses which we saw now. So that's up to you. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses like this, subscribe to Answers Queue and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And do not forget to join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.